Hello guys, good morning. My name is Priya Umralia.
And my name is Riya Dadhania.
Today we discuss about our future plan. Hello Ria, good morning.
Hello Priya, good morning. How are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
I am also fine with you.
Okay, where are you going now?
I going now to learn English
Oh, but where?
at Camel's in MG Dreams.
Okay, what is the name of our class?
The name of my class Active English Academy. Do you want to learn English?
I think about it.
Okay, I can speak English properly because of Active English Academy.
Yeah, you speaking very well. I like this.
Also, I can speak English compared to my past.
Oh, I will meet your sir tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. You will come.
Okay, bye. See you
Okay,
soon.
bye bye. Take care.